Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering and GK Hub. Subscribe my channel to more updates for civil engineering knowledge information and GK information videos. For more videos, please subscribe and then keep watching. In this video, I am just telling what are the Revit keyboard shortcut keys used for the ease and speed of work. Okay, let's start. For all the efficient work you do in Revit, there is keyboard shortcut that may help you to make the process faster. So here some of the professional Revit shortcut listed below. First one, application menu. In application menu, Ctrl plus N represent new, Ctrl plus O open, Ctrl plus S save, Ctrl plus P represent print. And function keys. F1 display Revit help, F7 spelling, F8 navigation wheel, F10 key tips, spacebar flip 90 degree selected elements, tab cycles through snaps or chain of elements. And then third one, architecture build. So architecture build, WA represent wall, DA represent door, WN window, CM means place a component and CL column. And the fourth one is architecture model, GP create group, LI model line. And the fifth one is architecture room and area. In architecture room and area, RM represent room and RT room tag or tag room. And sixth one, architecture datum, LL means level, GR means grid. And the seventh one is architecture work plane, RP represent reference plane. And the eighth one is annotate dimension, DI represent align dimension, EL represent spot elevation. And the ninth one is annotate detail, DL means detail line. And the 10th one is annotate text, TX text, F for find or replace, TG tag by category. And the 11th one, collaborate synchronize, RL or RW represent reload latest, ER represent editing request. And the 12th one is view graphics, VG or VV represent visibility graphics, TL thin line, RR render, RD render in cloud, RG render gallery. And the 13th one, view windows, WC cascade windows, WT tile windows, PP property, KS keyboard shortcuts. And the 14th one, settings, UN represent project unit, SU means sun and shadow settings. And the 15th one, modify, AL mean align, AR array, CO or CC copy, CS create similar, DE delete, DM mirror draw axis, MM mirror pick axis, MV move, offset, PN pin, RE scale, RO rotate, SL split element, TR means trim or extend to corner, UP unpin. And the 16th one is modify view, EH represent hide in view, hide elements, EOD override graphics in view, LW line work, VH means hide in view, hide category. And the 17th one is zoom, ZA represent zoom all to fit, ZD zoom to fit, ZO or ZV represent zoom out, ZP or ZC represent previous pan or zoom, ZS previous pan or zoom, ZR zoom in region. And the 18th one is snaps, PC snap to point clouds, SC centers, SC endpoints, SL intersections, SM midpoint, SN nearest, SO snap off, SP perpendicular, SQ quadrants, SR snap to remote objects, ST tangents, SW means work plane grid, SX means point, SZ means close. And the last one and the final one is view control bar, CX represent reveal constraints, GD represent graphic display options. HL means hidden line, RY means ray trace, SD means shaded, W means wireframe. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.